Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can disconnect Trust Wallet from Uniswap. So first, you have to listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if I don't show all the steps since it might look a little bit different on your screen, so it really depends on the layout. And before starting, make sure that your wallet is connected to Uniswap, and this will help you to secure your wallet when you're done trading. So first, open your app.uniswap.org and you make sure that your Trust wallet is already connected to here. And what you will do is click on your wallet icon in the top right corner. So what you will do next is you will select disconnect wallet from the menu, and then you will confirm the disconnection in the pop-up, and finally your Trust wallet is no longer connected to Uniswap. And you will of course make sure to always double check that the wallet shows as disconnected before leaving the site. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.